China seems to be facing a COVID like health scare yet again. This is HMPV. In the recent weeks, China has experienced a rise in cases of human metapneumovirus or HMPV, leading to public concern and speculation. Let's explore what is HMPV and whether it poses a significant threat to India. What is HMPV? Discovered in 2001, human metapneumovirus is a respiratory virus belonging to the Pneumoviridae family, closely related to the respiratory syncytial virus RSV. It typically causes upper and lower respiratory infections, presenting symptoms similar to the common cold or flu. Let's explore what are the symptoms. Common symptoms associated with HMPV include cough, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath. Clinical symptoms of HMPV infection may progress to bronchitis or pneumonia and are similar to other viruses that cause upper and lower respiratory infections. Causes and transmission. HMPV is most likely to spread from an infected person to others through secretions from coughing and sneezing. Close personal contact, such as touching or shaking hands, touching objects or surfaces that have the viruses on them, then touching the mouth, nose, or eyes. Who is the most vulnerable? While HMPV can cause upper and lower respiratory disease in patients of all ages, it is most common in young children and the elderly, in whom it is more likely to develop into bronchiolitis, bronchitis, or pneumonia. Diagnosis and treatment. HMPV can be diagnosed through lab tests to confirm if it is the same virus causing your illness. Currently, there is no specific antiviral therapy to treat HMPV and no vaccine to prevent HMPV. Prevention. To prevent the virus from spreading, steps include frequent hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoiding touching the face with unwashed hands, wearing masks in crowded places during outbreaks, staying home when sick to prevent spreading the virus, and regularly cleaning frequently touched surfaces. COVID versus HMPV. While both infections affect the respiratory system, causing symptoms like cough, fever, and breathing difficulties, unlike COVID-19, HMPV has no pandemic history, milder impact, and spreads through direct contact or respiratory droplets. Both require preventive hygiene but differ in severity and global threat level. Should India be worried? The National Center for Disease Control (NCDC) is closely monitoring respiratory and seasonal influenza cases in the country and is in touch with international agencies. Dr. Atul Goyal, Director General of Health Services DGHS India, has said that the spread of HMPV in China is like any other respiratory virus. There is no need for alarm about the present situation. He further added that there has been no significant increase in the December 2024 data on the respiratory outbreaks within the country. While there isn't an outbreak-like situation as of now as per officials, it's always advised to stay informed and practice good hygiene to protect yourself and others from respiratory viruses, be it HMPV or any other.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.